So taking Shazam over to the Haulout. I've got Joe here helping me today. So hopefully this will all go smooth and we drop the rudder. Got some wind on my port beam. So hopefully that won't be a problem.
A little bit more of that side wind as you come into the swing.
Yeah, there's a few updates probably needed.
Maybe reverse a little bit. Yeah, that's good.
Picking up on the front a little bit to try and get a better angle so that the shaft will drop straight on out. Because my boat wasn't set down level, I've had to ask the crane to come level me out. So drop this down, and I need everything plumb back here, kind of like you would sit in the water, to be able to put this straight. Bye.